Hello and welcome to the syllabus review for Math 126, Section 4321 for fall of 2026. So here we have the course information. It's an online course. My name, email address, office number, phone number, and then my office hours, 10 to 11 and 12:20 to 12:50 in Cedar 303. If you need me to open up the Zoom, send me an email and I can do that. And then on Tuesday from 10 to 12, I'll have online office hours only. So I will not be in the office that day. There'll be remote office hours. Prerequisites, Math 96, or 3 units of high school mathematics at the level of algebra and above. It really should be like algebra 2 and above. Course description provides a third course in algebra. Topics include polynomial, rational, and radical equations, absolute value and quadratic inequalities, relations and functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic functions. Those are really, really fun there. And their graphs and applications. The applications are great. You'll hopefully enjoy it as much as I do. And systems of equations. Course objectives. Upon completion of this course, successful students should be able to do the following. I'll let you go through that list there. It's a 3-credit course. Transfers it within Nevada System of Higher Education, possibly elsewhere, but check with your school. Primary text is Pre-Calculus by J. Abramson by Lumen, Pre-Calculus, OHM, and Digital Access ISBN number. So, I mean, it's all embedded in the course, so you don't have to go to the site. You can click on the first assignment for the book. I know there's a syllabus quiz. That's not one of them, but I mean, like the 1.1 assignment and so on, and then it'll take you to a point to register for to connect with that. You can get a 2-week trial, and then you can get your access. I know that I'm supposed to say you can get it from the bookstore. I'll leave it at that. And then we need an online textbook. And then some type of calculator would be useful. I like to use the TI-84. Grading scale is pretty standard, A, B, C, D, F. In this class, 60% of the grade will be the quizzes, and there'll be 1 quiz per chapter, and then each section has an assignment, and so that's 40% of the grade. And so when you're looking at grades, look at the grades in the grade book in Canvas, not the grade book in Lumen. So. Let's see. So I hope I got these dates all updated. I think I did for the tentative exam dates. I think they're all correct. I will say that the plan is to complete them in Canvas. However, if concern for quiz integrity arises, quizzes may be conducted on paper in class. So I'm leaning towards going that way with the AI concerns. So there's just been a lot of issues with that, so I may be going to paper exams that have your the person that's facilitating the class at your campus to give that test. So we'll see as we go along. Homework, all homework assignments. Let me just go back to that. When you do cheat like that with using AI to answer your questions, you're not learning the material. I mean, the idea is here to learn and to be able to use it. So really, you're going to hurt yourself if you're going to go on to use this for Math 181 or some other course. You're taking this for a reason. So it's not just about the grade, it's about the knowledge. So all homework assignments are on the Lumen website. The homework is completed through the practice activities. You may access the assignments tab under modules or course summary below the syllabus here on Canvas. So you can go into assignments. There are lots of places to access this. I feel like there should be a comma there and a comma there. Okay. Grading of homework assignments completed on Lumen OHM are automatically graded. And this is where I say to look at the grade book in Canvas, not the one in Lumen, because I have things weighted. Lesson course videos. Lessons are in Canvas and in the modules. These are lessons I have made, and students are expected to view the lessons prior to coming to office hours for assistance. There are lessons by the publisher embedded within the textbook, so you can go through those as well. And there are lessons with notes and videos created by me. of this course. The instructor, me, created lessons are found within each module below each section of the textbook link. You can go to the Canvas tour for that if you want to see that. Students are expected to participate and keep pace on a regular basis. Students failing to keep pace or answer emails from the instructor for 2 or more weeks may be dropped from the course. Any departure from the attendance policy must be pre-approved by September 10th, 2026. Oh, took away the double space. I don't like how that did that, but whatever. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. I can do this. Can I do there? Yeah, keep together. See? That PhD was worth something, huh? That's a joke. It was worth a lot. Okay. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Great appeals can be made to the Director of Liberal Arts. This is Dr. Rebecca Gates, and there's her email address. There's the disability statement. I'll let you go ahead and read through that. But if you need accommodations, please contact them, and then they'll let me know what accommodations are being required for the class. And then instructional specific issues. The Vice President of Academic Student Affairs, Dr. Dana Ryan. That's her email address and her office phone number. I hope that's the right one. It'll get to her. I just don't know if that's like her inside office or to her receptionist. Yeah, we'll see how that works out. And then here are important dates. Now, these dates should be correct. I went through to try to verify them as the semester changed. I would doubly verify if I were you with the WC calendar. I believe they're correct, but don't hold me to it. I'm not going to be responsible if you miss something you needed to do. So verify, that's why I said verify with the WC calendar. Next, we have our tentative schedule. This is the schedule we're going to follow for the class. If something serious happens and we have to modify it, we can. But being an online class, we're not having to worry about absences and so on. So you have that ability to keep working through and get caught up. And so the key, if you look in the assignments, like this is the day you cover 4.5. It's not the day it's due. You have days to complete it and so on. So it's that. And then our sections to be covered. And for each section, there's a homework to be completed. For each module, there's a quiz to be completed. Okay, I think I've talked too much with this video. It's like 3 minutes longer than normal. So with that, I will stop and let me know if you have questions. I look forward to seeing you online. Bye.